Are you having trouble with your Windows 10 performance? Try these nifty tricks to improve your system speed. In the search box, type Advanced and click on View Advanced System Settings. Now click on Settings under the Performance section. Under the Visual Effects tab, select Adjust for Best Performance. Additionally, you can use the checkbox to keep certain effects provided under the Customs tab. Once done, click Apply and close the window. Now click on Windows and R key at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type Prefetch to open the Prefetch folder and delete the files and close the window. Again, open the Run dialog and type temp to delete the temp files and close the window. One last time, open the Run dialog and type %symbol along with temp to delete the files and close the window. That should help run your Windows a bit smoother. See you next time. Ta-da!